Okay, so now if you apply the values onto the formula, you should get your answer, which is this one. 2.2 into 10 raised to minus 4 meter, because it's a distance. Now moving on to the the fourth one, it's a word problem. You can look at the answer sheet I've given you, so you should be able to do that. If you have any doubts, please let me know. So you can email me once you have a doubt. And now moving on to the sixth question. So here you can see there is some reading bit. Random access memory chips are used in computers to store binary information in the forms of ones and zeros. One common way to store a 1 is to charge a very small capacitor. Of course, the same capacitor without charge represents a 0. A memory chip contains millions of such capacitors, each coupled with a transistor. Transistor is an electronic component that acts as a switch and also amplifies a signal to form a memory cell. A typical capacitor in a memory cell may have a capacitance of